Welcome to Art Book Club. I'm going to quickly show you how to find your very first entry so that you can find your very first reference. So let's go. Usually when you start Art Book Club, you come in on the homepage. If you are lost at any point, you can usually find this little navigational bar underneath the header on multiple pages. So, don't get lost. Just hit that current book and then scroll down a little bit and it'll show you a bunch of submissions down here, but it'll also have on the third tab the artists that have participated in Art Book Club so far. So this is where you want to be, and then this is sorted by alphabet, and then you'll find little links to people's social profiles that they've submitted to us. So you go, you scroll, you find yourself. So that's me. I click on me, click on the actual page. It'll bring you to the artist profile page, and that'll, if you scroll down, it has all the different entries that you have had up to that point for Art Book Club. Now, if you don't see your very first one, just hit load more. It's endless, so many entries, and there you go. So this is my very first entry. It'll open the, my very first entry where you can see the art. So this is my first attempt at this master study. Now what you're going to do is to find the unit for master study. So this is where the reference comes from. So it says right here, unit, and then you click on it, and there you go, master studies. You can open this into a full page to make it easier to browse. It has all the information as you're used to it, and then you can find your very first reference that matches your entry right here. And there you go. So, happy painting!